Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie. In this video, I'm going to talk about what happens if you put a resource within a folder. Whenever you put a resource within a folder, it's great for organizing. However, resources that are within a folder cannot be set as a start page. So let me show you what I mean. Right now, when I go to choose a start page, I can see all of my resources that I have created, and I can choose or select any of those to set as my start page. So let's say that I had created a folder for all of my pages because I was really excited that I was going to be able to organize everything. And I got so excited I went ahead and put next week's page within that folder. So it says, are you sure you want to move August 31st through September 4th to pages? Okay. So now you can see August 31st through September 4th, that page is in pages. But look at what happened. When I go to settings, I can no longer, look, it's gone. I can no longer set it as a start page. So what I would want to do is go back to resources, and if it was a page or a resource that I wanted to set as a start page, I would have to remove it from pages, put it back in resources, click OK. And now it is no longer under pages. And so I would want to get rid of pages because I'm realizing that right now I don't really want to put anything in there. However, you could keep that and you could put past pages in there. You can create a folder for all of your assignments, all of your tasks. However, right now, just because we're getting started, we don't have that many resources here. So organization is not your highest priority right now. I could see as we get further along that things are going to start adding up, and this is going to be a really long list on the side. So we could put older stuff that we know we don't want to put as a start page within a folder, but for right now, anything that you want to have as a start page, make sure that you are not putting it within a folder. So I'm going to go back just to make sure that it is available to set as a start page since I took it out of that folder, and you can see that it's already put it back as my start page and it's already saved there. But just make sure that anytime you are setting a start page, that make sure that that resource is not within a folder.